What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. Sitting here looking at this AMC and this ape situation, and I'm excited. I know a lot of y'all are kind of confused and maybe upset. We were expecting it to happen today. Let me explain something to you. Let's take a look real quick over here on TradingView, and we see 2 points of interest right here. Right here at 1802 was where we closed out Friday. Then the split happened and we're here. That is why you see over here in the change category 708 down 39%. That's because it's split and the computer's algorithm has not caught up with the split yet. So when it does, it's actually going to show you that AMC is down just a few cents right now, but we're getting there in just a second. Let me get this where I can move it down so y'all can see what's going on here. Since the split, all right, $11 seems to be a support line for it. It's a little bit lower than that since I put it here, so I can lower it down to here and say right there seems to be a support line. All right, and it opened at 1134. That's where AMC opened after the split. So I'm looking at this right here as today's range that it wants to trade in. Now, if this support line can hold up, which I believe it will, because I'm going to explain this action in just a second. But if this support line up and then it gets back up to here, this seems to be a resistance line. From where it opened a little bit more up, and that would be the resistance line for it. All right, so we need to get above that 1134 and have a candle that stays above it to give us our confirmation candle, and then we can go up. Now, what is going on here? All right, well, this is AMC. Let's switch over to ape. We thought ape was supposed to be the Holy Grail that was going to bring us to the promised land. Well, you got to understand something. It's just getting started, people. We were not the only ones that got ape. They got ape too. Any institution, even Citadel, for example. Citadel owns AMC shares, so they would have gotten the ape too. So they are selling their ape off now, but retail is scooping it up. And I know that because Discord people are telling me how many shares of AMC they're buying. I mean, ape they're buying. But this push down right here from the initial start, and then this push down right here is them not shorting AMC, not any fuckery. This is them dumping off their ape shares into the market to do this on purpose. To discourage you, because we were expecting it. But you have to relax and you have to wait. This is their opening line, and we've fallen a little bit below it. Now, I know this might confuse some people because somebody in the Discord that I highly respect says she still don't understand what I'm trying to say, but I'm going to try to explain it anyway. Here is where we opened at 701. Here is where we were supposed to open. Why? Because AMC opened at 1134, and Adam Aaron said this is like a 2-for-1 stock split. So the stock price should have been cut in half. That means ape should have started here, but it didn't. And you have to remember, you're like, well, I don't see a gap down, even on the 1 minute. You might not even see it on the second chart, because where we deal in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, they operate on nanoseconds. And within a nanosecond of the opening, boom, ape opened down here. So I have concluded, and I'm convinced, I look at this where AMC opened and where we actually opened as a gap down. Why? Because AMC opened here, and so we were supposed to open there too, but we didn't. We opened here. So that tells me if we were supposed to open here and we opened here, it gapped down to there, which is good news, because if you follow the gap up and gap down rules of trading, then if this is a gap down, AMC is going to want to fill this gap. And then from there, we will go. So, give them time to sell off what ape they got. And other institutions are out there scooping up ape at the same time because they need them. Now, still a couple of brokers that are reported that they're not got their shares yet. People from overseas and in Canada, some are saying they still ain't got their shares yet. So relax. How do they have shares, CSI? Simply put, and I know this ain't going to be a likable answer, but this is the only way that everybody could get their shares today. And that is if the number that is in our accounts are placeholders. And they know that eventually I'm going to hit that sell button. And when I do, to me, it doesn't matter whether it's going to be a share there or a number there, because when I hit the sell button, say for example, right now, if I don't have a ape share in my account, they're just placeholders, and I sell 10 shares of ape right now, they give me the money equivalent of $61. That's why it's important for me to hold, because they can cover that placeholder $6.14. But if I hold until they run out of ammunition, because they're going to run out of ape soon, and when they do, this reverses. Notice also how we're below the RSI oversold line. Why? Because they're using what they got this morning. That's what this is. And I expect it to come back up and meet where it was supposed to open this morning and fill this gap. Will it happen today? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Will it happen tomorrow? I don't know. But the 24th is supposed to be significant, according to Fidelity. And I look back on my chart and I noticed that it took 7 trading days of 100 million volume or more, and then it ran up. So we're having a good day today. We got 118 million as of right now, and really, if you count 8, we got 59 million shares of AMC that's being traded right now. So relax, people. Everything's okay. Give this puppy time to wean itself to the market. Let them sell off what ape they have, and we will be fine. At least that's my opinion. If I don't believe it, if I believe this shit's over with, motherfuckers, I promise you, I will tell y'all, man, I'm out this bitch and I'm going to IPOs. I will tell y'all. So, but right now, I'm giving this baby time to carry the baby and deliver it and cover this gap up to here. And with that, I'll let y'all go. I hope this helped y'all make it through the rest of the evening and into tomorrow. Love y'all. Be blessed. And I'll see you in the next video.
I'm